Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to allow people to comment on your answers and posts on the quora.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that click on this profile icon next to the Try Quora button at the top. Click on settings below, tap on privacy in the left side of the screen, scroll down to the common preferences section, and here you can find this allow people to comment on your answers and posts. So if you would like to enable it, click on this button until it turns blue. It means that it's turned on. If you would like to turn it off, just tap on it, and when it turns to gray, it means that it's disabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.